We're looking at Christmas celebrations that already begun. Christmas is barely a few days away, but sadly, we're looking at several cases of attacks on the Christian community that have surfaced across the country. Across India, we see homes and markets completely in festive mode. Celebrations have already begun. Christmas is just around the corner. But this season, we've also heard news of serious confrontations, of cases of harassment and attacks linked to public celebrations of Christmas in different parts of the country that surfaced. Some of the incidents I'm going to quote here. Let's start with Kerala's Palakkad. Police have now arrested an RSS worker in Kerala's Palakkad, Ashwin Raj, for allegedly attacking a Christmas carol group during house-to-house celebrations. The group included children. Police say an argument escalated into assault and musical instruments were fully damaged. Kerala Education Minister Shivankutty has warned any attempt to divide children on religious lines will not be tolerated. Now let's move to Delhi. Delhi's Lajpat Nagar. We saw a similar case where a group of women who were trying to celebrate Christmas, they were all in Christmas hats, they were literally shooed away. They were heckled and shooed away by men who reportedly are linked to the Bajrang Dal. In fact, they accused the group of using Christmas celebrations and Santa hats as a front for religious conversion. These are the allegations made by the alleged Bajrang Dal activists who said that you're trying to convert people, get out of here. Santa hats, where they had worn Santa hats and they were basically just there in Lajpat Nagar doing whatever, celebrating right ahead of Christmas. And they were literally asked to leave the area, almost harassed to. We don't know if there is an FIR that's been filed. There's no confirmation of an FIR, no official police statement either. But that video has now gone viral, raising serious concerns. Now let's take you through Odisha. A video in Odisha shows two men who are driving past a vendor who's trying to sell some Santa caps and few other Christmas items. The sellers are told to pack up immediately and get out of that area because according to these men, again, right-wing groups who claim that these people have no license to sell such merchandise. Again, we're not too sure if any action was taken there. Now in Madhya Pradesh, in Jabalpur, very startling to see this case. A video from inside a church premises shows a woman who is visually impaired being literally publicly abused, even physically harassed, while she was attending a Christmas program with few others. And that harassment came from none other than a BJP worker. BJP City Vice President Anju Bhargava has been accused of harassing and nearly assaulting a visually impaired girl. BJP worker there who claims that there was some attempt to convert women there, and which is why she blew up in such a fashion. But is this even legal, what she is doing? These incidents have really raised a larger question and a huge concern over safety of people wanting to celebrate peacefully ahead of Christmas. In fact, we're looking at the Catholic Bishops' Conference of India, who's issued a strong statement now. The CBCI has condemned what it calls an alarming rise of attacks on Christians in India during the Christmas season, asking for immediate intervention from the Home Ministry, saying they want protection. It has demanded strict action against those who are involved in such attacks and urged the Home Minister Amit Shah to ensure law enforcement and protection for Christian communities so Christmas can be celebrated peacefully. We are running that comment there, the release, the statement that the Catholic Bishops' Conference of India has issued, condemning all the attacks, particularly the one on the visually impaired lady by a BJP worker. Now, of course, concerns being raised that Christians are now celebrating Christmas and people of all communities are celebrating Christmas in whatever fashion they want to. The question here is, celebrating in your own way, does that really amount to forceful conversion? These incidents have raised a larger question: under which Indian law does wearing Santa caps or singing carols or selling Christmas merchandise in public amount to illegal religious conversion? Well, let me bring in our guests on board here to give us a little more on these kind of attacks now gripping the country. Roydon Roach, who is former Telangana State President of the All India Catholic Union convener, joins us. Thanks very much. We also have Advocate Sanjeev Unial, political analyst, and Ellen Rao, former DCP of Delhi. Thanks very much, all of you. I'd, of course, start with Roydon Roach. How do you view these instances of attacks on people of the Christian community? We see the Catholic bishop community and the conference has also released a statement asking for Home Ministry's intervention. Sir, your audio seems to be a problem. We're going to get that fixed. We're going to get your audio fixed immediately. Please, if I could ask my panel to get that done immediately. Let me bring in Advocate Sanjeev Unial before that. Advocate Sanjeev Unial, what's your take on this? This is human rights violation. You know, this kind of harassing, heckling, asking for people, you know, chasing away people when they're trying to either do business. There's no rule that says you can't sell Christmas caps on the road. You have every other item under the sun that's being sold. What's wrong with a Christmas cap? Inside a church, a visually impaired lady is being literally assaulted and harassed by a BJP worker. That's what's shocking. Someone who's attested to the ruling party. And, you know, in Kerala, a Christmas carol was vandalized. Children were nearly attacked. What does this spell?
It is undoubtedly, it's painful. Because Bharatvarsh is a country which is lot of religions, lot of communities, lot of people are staying together from last 100 years, 150 years and thousands of years. So it is a country where Buddhism has taken place, birthplace of Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism. So it is the variety of this country is the unity. So in unity we are seeing diversion, but in diversity we see unity. So if one or two people could be of any ideological thought might be doing this, then you cannot question mark that political wing or political ideology or the governing Bharatiya Janata Party is in question here. So it depends upon which mentality of people they are and whether they have joined BJP at the root level or they are just recently joined BJP or having some portfolio, might be having a small cadre karyakartas of Bharatiya Janata Party. But Bharatiya Janata Party and RSS doesn't think in this line. So, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, that is the basic principle of Bharatiya Janata Party or any Bharatiya. So, I am not agree if someone is doing this mischief. Everybody can be, even in my school also, we have celebrated Christianity. Although I am a Hindu and I have gone into the RSS shakas also. But I am not agree with this point that this Christmas should not be celebrated. I myself have celebrated Christmas number of times. Still, we say good wishes to
celebrating.
My Christian friends.
Celebration is not does not mean you're trying to convert people. Now that's the sad part. You have RSS workers. See, look, if it was a stray incident, we would still get past it and ignore it. The fact is that there are a number of these cases that are coming to light. There are 4 that we have counted. I wonder how many have gone unreported, and at least 4 videos that have surfaced that are now viral, which we are presenting to you. So my limited point is here, people of the RSS, people of the Bajrang Dal, these are people who are affiliated in different ways to the BJP.
I'll quote 3 examples in a nutshell. Jacob, ex-DJP of Kerala, has recently joined Bharatiya Janata Party and became the full-fledged Rashtriya Samsevak Sangh. Do you know? He has become full-time Pracharak of Rashtriya Samsevak Sangh, Jacob, Director General of Police, IPS. And 13 bishops of Kerala, Catholic Christian Orthodox Christianity, they have met Bharatiya Janata Party's senior leaders. Even PM Narendra Modi met in 2014. Rashtriya Samsevak Sangh, Sir Sangh Chalak ji has met bishops number of times. So these, they're the main authoritarian. If PM of Bharatiya Janata Party, PM of this country is meeting bishops, so he is giving. So we have to be concerned about what Bharatiya Janata Party's ideology. Or if Sir Sangh Chalak is meeting bishops, so and Jacob has joined Rashtriya Samsevak Sangh as a Pracharak, speaks volume about the actual ingredients and elements of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Rashtriya Samsevak Sangh. If someone is coming here, if someone says I am a journalist, could be have joined only for 2 days, He cannot be a journalist. An advocate do so many things. Being an advocate, I
But
have
we're looking
seen.
at
So
different
you cannot
parts of the country, sir. What is
complete
worrying is this is happening in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Delhi. It's in different parts of the country
what
that
I
it's
am
happening.
condemning.
And it's
I am
happening
condemning.
at the
It's very
hands of
painful.
some people who are associated with groups like the Bajrang Dal. Bajrang Dal is
That's not
known
a
to
joint.
create
One or
tensions.
two people came.
No, all the
One or two
cases,
people
yeah. In
came.
fact, one case, BJP functionary itself, we are showing you visuals on our screens, BJP leader.
So to my
Uh,
question, I put a
Miss
question on you.
Bhargava has literally nearly assaulted a visually impaired lady, accusing her of trying to
I,
convert some
I,
girl. Look what she's
I
doing.
put I put a state question on you. Bharatiya Janata Party is a 32 crores, as they claim, is a membership drive. So if they are attacking with the vicarious designs to some ideological thought they are attacking, then only 2 or 3 people are there. Why not thousands of karyakartas are there for doing that? Only one or two you cannot pick and choose, and you cannot blame a complete Bharatiya Janata Party or ideological vichardhara of Bharatiya Janata Party about it. Some people, they might be culprit. They should be booked under IPC or BNS as per the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita says.
He
They should
should.
be booked
She's a
immediately.
BJP city vice president. She holds a designation. Should she not be suspended
That should
immediately
be,
for what she's done?
but she was alone. If 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 it is a plan, then there could be thousands of karyakartas with her. But
Do you
she
believe she
herself
should be
did something
suspended, sir? Do you believe she should be suspended?
undoubted. And immediately she should be suspended.
All right,
Immediately.
that's it. So let me bring in Roydon, if your connection is fine. Roydon, how would you view these cases of attacks on people within the Christian community? The Catholic Bishop Association has condemned this, asking for Home Ministry's intervention.
Okay, to come to the exact fact, see, I have a data till the month of August. Till August, we had 508 attacks which have happened on the Christian community. 508 recorded incidents happened, and we have only 33 FIRs were filed. 33 FIRs were filed. In the 33 also FIRs, almost 18 have been already dismissed. They've already been dismissed, though they were severe attacks. Why is the government not taking it serious? Through your channel, first and foremost, I would like to ask for the resignation of the Home Minister. The Home Minister should resign. Ms. Amit Shah has to resign immediately, because we are seeing terrorist attacks, we are seeing violence against minorities happening too much. And I'm telling you one thing, we have to understand, this is reflecting on our Indians who are abroad. There's a lot of incidents happening abroad now. There's a lot of places where there are protests happening. You take Europe, you take New Zealand, you take Australia, you take the US. There are protests happening against our Indians. They are our brothers, okay? But they are being tortured because what's happening here. But if the Home Minister cannot take it up seriously, he has to resign. He has to leave his post. He has to give somebody
This
who's
is
capable.
politics.
And the Chief Minister, the Prime Minister is a
This is
hypocrite.
ideological interpretation.
No, 1 minute, sir. Let me talk. The Prime Minister, so much of hypocrisy in him. He goes for Christmas, he goes for Easter to the cathedral.
He is not interested.
Okay, in Delhi, he goes
He's
there.
talking
He
about
likes
the issue. He's
But why doesn't
interested
he
to
have the guts
defame
to
Prime
issue a
Minister
law?
and wants
Gentlemen,
the
please,
resignation of
please
Amit
hold
Shah.
on. Please hold on, gentlemen. Please hold
He's
on.
only interested.
When you spoke, I was patient
Roydon
enough.
ji,
So I requested
you
be
are
patient.
only interested to get resignation of Home Minister only. You are not interested to solve the issue.
Please,
You are
please
doing
hold your horse,
politics.
gentlemen. You are
Now
no.
Your
allow
answer is political.
Roydon to
You
make
should
his...
join a political
Okay,
party.
you're not a judge to
Mr.
judge me or
Roydon,
tell me.
You should
allow...
join a political party.
No,
Okay.
let me talk. Let me talk.
You are not
Allow
an activist,
Roydon to make his
not a
statement,
social
please.
reformer.
Mr. Sanjeev, allow Roydon to make his statement.
Listen. You have the patience to listen to me also. Okay?
Roydon, you are only
Even
interested to
through
get
your channel,
resignation
even
from
I tell
Amit
CBCI
Shah.
also.
How dare you can say
Even
this?
CBCI.
How dare you can say Amit Shah is doing so well?
Can you please fade him down? Put his fader down, please.
Why not yours? Why not yours?
Okay, he cannot.
This is
No, okay.
insolvence.
It is
This is
Roydon's turn to
insolvence.
speak.
Okay,
I
he's
request
not only
Mr.
giving
Sanjeev
his
Unial
opinion.
This is
to give him a
insolvence.
moment to make his statement,
One.
please. It's his,
The second thing is,
it's his
we would
turn.
like to
Allow
say,
him to speak.
Even
Roydon, this is
CBCI,
intolerance.
even CBCI has to understand that CBCI should stop inviting the BJP leaders to their churches. This has to stop, because you have to take into one's consideration that until and unless you don't stop and take action against them, they will continue. They'll come to our churches, they'll light candles, they'll say they're praying, and this is what they do. If you tell me more than 500 in 6 months, 500 attacks, only 33 FIRs, in 33, 18 FIRs have been squashed. But the same thing against illegal, they say illegal conversions. Can you show me one illegal conversion for the last 14 years? Sorry, for the past 12 years since the BJP is in power. Can you show me one legal issue which was proved of conversion? There's not a single word of conversion happened, nothing proven, all are dismissed whenever it comes up to the court. Even now, and even through a channel, we even asked the Supreme Court to take these issues up under sumoto and stop this harassment of the Christian community. In Uttar Pradesh, the number of churches that were shut is huge. Not to involvement of the government. The government got involved directly and seen that churches are shut. People had to flee their places. Recently, we've seen an incident of a body, a person being buried, had to be even exhumed back again and removed from that place and again put it somewhere else. That's not the way. You have to have the dignity for death. A person who dies, give him dignity. It doesn't matter who you are, which religion you come from, or which faith you belong to. All are one. We live in a country where we have democracy and we have a constitution which is there. So we have to understand that this cannot continue. Either the Home Minister takes responsibility and puts a stop to it, or he leaves the state. That's what the option has to be. And even the CBCI should stop this buttering the government, trying to be pally with them, trying to be good to them. No, they do it there, they are safe, but the people are suffering. Today, even the CBCI has to understand that the people are suffering. It's not the CBCI, it's not the bishops and the priests or the pastors who are there. There are people who are suffering there. There are a lot of minorities being, every day there are incidents. There's not a single day without an instance of a Christian church being vandalized. You can even check the records of it. I have the black and white. I can even show it to you all and prove it to you all. I can send it where you can even display it on the screen also.
You're saying every day church is being vandalized where?
Every place in the country. If I'm giving you a number of, ma'am, if I'm giving you a number of 500 plus in 6 months, 500 plus, calculate the number of attacks happening at
concocted stories.
If I'm giving you an approximate, not accurate,
100% stories.
Cases in 6 months, that amounts to one literally every day. That's basically your calculation. But let me bring in Ellen Rao, who's a former DCP of Delhi.
More than one. It's almost 4 a day.
Okay.
You're telling a lie.
Ellen Rao, if he has a record, if you have a record of it, have you presented this to the Home Ministry? We know the Catholic Conference.
I have it really. Yeah, I do have it. You can zoom in on my phone. You can see it. The record. We have it. It's a genuine record.
Edited.
It's not edited. Sorry, data. It is genuine reported.
Okay, all right. Let me bring in Ellen Rao on this. I request you all for the moment. Mr. Ellen Rao, it's shocking. I cannot verify the cases that Mr. Royden is referring to. 500 attacks on churches in the Christian community in the last 6 months, he says. He's showing us a report on his phone, but I'm not able to corroborate at this moment. We will follow up on that. But if cases like this are increasing and it's so brazen, videos of such nature are surfacing online, is it not the responsibility of police in respective states to crack down on these men? Who are these people? Why is there no suo motu action against them?
Good evening, ma'am, and good evening to my co-panelists and to all your viewers. This is really a very sad incident because we are living in our democratic country and we are run by Constitution of India where everybody has a liberty to adopt whatever religion they want to celebrate and the manner they want to celebrate it. But this vandalism by, I think, one or two people or maybe a few people, that cannot be generalized as a party line. See, but definitely this is very wrong and it is condemnable. The action should be taken by the police suo motu, even if there is no report at all. On the basis of these pictures, the action can be taken. And these people cannot be allowed to vandalize like this. This is very wrong. But at the same time, I must tell you that the figures given by Mr. Radio, that 500 attacks in 6 months, I also can't believe that. Because even one attack on any church,
I am ready to give you 100%.
Public news.
I'm ready to give you 100% evidence of it.
Reported everywhere in media as a newspaper, but 500, no doubt, maybe some few incidents, few incidents, maybe.
I will give you, including every state.
concocted
I can
stories.
give you every state.
No. I please, Mr. Audio, please be very realistic.
Mr.
You
Ellen
also
Rao,
must be-
Mr.
Yeah,
Ellen Rao, Mr. Ellen Rao, just a
112
simple
in
question.
Chhattisgarh itself.
When we're
Yeah.
looking at these
Chhattisgarh,
visuals,
you have 112. In Chhattisgarh,
Yes,
112.
definitely.
these are visuals that are caught on camera. This is proof that's caught on camera. It makes it very easy for the police to crack down on these people because
Yes,
it's caught on
definitely, I
camera. For
agree.
God's sake, you have Lajpat Nagar. You're in Delhi, sir. Lajpat Nagar. Look at the visuals. We're playing that on our screens on the left-hand side.
I think the police
Lajpat
might
Nagar.
have-
We're looking at people there heckling women who are wearing Santa hats, saying that you're trying to convert people. Get out of here. They were shooed away.
Definitely,
Why
I-
can't?
it
Why
is a very-
should not they be arrested?
Definitely, this is a very shocking incident, and I think that police might have taken action on all these incidents. Let me check up with the police. Definitely, the police cannot see all these things with blind eyes. Definitely, suo moto action can also be taken, and no doubt. the
Okay, so
persons
you're
have
saying
been-
it has to be
they
taken.
might have
Whether it's
reported
taken
to
or
the
not, we have no idea, no confirmation as of now. Our reporters have not got told us
Mr.
that
Rao,
action was
I am ready
taken.
to share data with you. And we have our people in
I
Delhi.
I
itself
want to answer
who
now.
can share information
Please give
with
me
you and
30
data
seconds.
with you. Genuinely.
Please give me 30
What action
seconds.
will be taken?
Yes.
Is telling a lie?
What action will be
Sanjeev
taken?
Unyal, please.
I'll say only three things. Have you seen the person who is sitting here? He's only attacking on the Bharatiya Janata Party, Prime Minister, Chief Ministers of the state where BJP is ruling, and he himself is admitting that the backbone of Christianity is conversion. That's why he was saying that themselves, the person who is sitting here,
I
he
am
has been
asking you to show me
converted.
one conversion which has
He
taken place.
himself has
Show
been
me a
converted.
forceful conversion taken place.
You are not converted.
You
No
don't talk
Christian
about
was there in India. Have you
conversion.
not converted?
There's not a single conversion. Not a
You
single
yourself been
forceful
About
converted.
this.
taken
I'm
place.
attacking you
Mr.
directly.
Sanjeev Unyal,
People have the
Mr.
liberty
Sanjeev
to
Unyal, whether
talk
Roydon is
about what
converted
they
or
want,
not
what
is
they
not our
want.
business.
Who are
Whether
you?
he
It
was
is a
forcefully,
business.
if
It is a
he was
business.
forcefully converted, he's here.
It
He
is a
has the
business.
platform to speak.
If Bharatiya are not like that, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, he is staying in our country. The top prime minister, the third economy of the world, he is saying he should resign. We have tolerated
Yes,
you. You are,
Sir-
although you have been converted,
Sir,
but we have
India's-
tolerated you.
Can you
India's
saying myself.
progress,
You are not
India's
bothered.
progress
I am
is
saying
ca-
myself, if somebody has done anything wrong in the Constitution, Lajpat Nagar, he should be moved.
Sir, India's
saying
progress
myself.
on one
Yes,
side,
he's
sir.
saying
On
we
the
not
other side,
enter.
we're looking at these cases of
What he has
attacks
said-
which can't be
What
ignored.
he has said,
You cannot
what he
say
has said,
you
he's
cannot
not
say that
allowed
the
to
government
enter
can wash
Bharatiya
its
Janata
hands
Party
off.
or Hindus in the churches. He's
Your
saying,
economy is
who
good,
is
you
he to
kill
enter?
people.
Let us
If
enter.
your economy is good, you kill people.
Who are you?
What nonsense are you talking about?
You are staying
You
here.
talk about your economy is good, you
Bharat.
kill people. That's what you're
Where
doing.
Bharat, we are
You
tolerating.
cannot do it.
We are
You
tolerating
understand?
Muslims, we are
Our
tolerating
Indian brothers
Christians.
abroad are
Although
suffering
you have
because of
always
this.
been converted. On
You
the
think
on
you
the
know
few
what?
money you have been
You don't
converted.
understand what is happening
For
to
the
our
sake
people
of money you
abroad.
have been converted. 50 years, 60 years,
Our
70 years,
Indian
100
brothers
years
are
back.
suffering
For the
abroad.
sake of money you have converted.
Recently we seen in New Zealand what happened.
Everyone knows what Christian does.
Such a peaceful country. in
Everyone
New Zealand,
knows
peaceful
what
country,
Christian does.
you see them attacking Hindus.
It is our
It is not
fight for the
right. We
ideology.
condemn that.
Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina
We condemn our
Vasudev
Indian
Kutumbakam.
brothers.
That's
Hindu
why
brothers
you
have
are
been
staying
attacked.
here.
We condemn
You are
it.
loud. You are speaking louder
Why
than
not
me.
condemn the
We have
minority
tolerated you.
people?
Sir,
No.
Sanjeev
don't
Unyal
believe
and
in
Roydon,
cruelty.
if you're going to speak over each other,
We
nothing is going to
don't
be
believe in
conveyed.
cruelty. That's why
For
you
the
are here.
moment, if I
Mr.
could please
Viren,
tone down one person while I'm speaking to
you can say.
one Roydon, a question to you,
Prime
Roydon.
Minister should resign. How? Who is he?
Roydon, have you
I am
taken
a
these
citizen of the
cases
country
to
and I will
court?
say it.
Roydon,
I will say
I
it.
literally, to our guests, I have 2 minutes and I'd like to ask Roydon, have you taken these cases to court? As part of your community, the association that you come
Yes,
from,
yes,
have
we
you
have
taken
taken-
these cases of
there are-
assault
yeah,
on
certain-
Christian
there is-
community,
there
on
is a
churches
body-
to court?
Yeah, there is a body which is there, which is fighting cases, and as per the data only we have this. As per the number of cases reported to us, we have it. We have an organization where we are recording it. And that's why I said only 33. And with evidence, we can give you this proof, 100% proof. We can show you how many churches have been attacked, how many people have been vandalized, how many people are beaten up every day. You can't even pray in your own place. You can't even pray in your own church. You can't pray in your house. You can't assemble with 5 people of your relatives also in the house and say, I pray. That's what you want us to suffer? You are
All
doing
right.
this in our country. Remember, It is not.
Will you take up
Our
these
Indian
cases for these
brothers, our
people?
Hindu brothers are
Royden,
suffering.
we're looking at 4 cases we've listed out. Will you take up these cases for the victims who
Yes,
have been harassed
yes, we have the
by
ADF
these
and all.
people? Will you
ADF and
take
all,
up
they
their
will take
cases?
up cases. We have the body in Delhi, we will take up the cases. They are taking up the cases, and it's going to be very serious. And as long as CBCI also has to understand, they have to come down to the people. They have to come down to the laity. Let me tell them also that the bishops have to understand. It's not writing letters. Letters doesn't matter anymore. You should have to have certain concrete steps taken. The CBCI has to take concrete steps.
You
The
get
laity
money
has
to
to
get
be
Hindus
involved.
converted.
It's not only the
You
No,
get
no.
clergy.
money.
The laity has to be involved in
Advocate
certain
Sanjeev
decision-making
Unyal.
issues.
Okay. Let me bring in Advocate Sanjeev Unyal. He has something to say, but sir, I request you no personal attacks. There's no case of forceful conversion that we see in any of these 4 episodes of attacks. So it cannot be
Undoubtedly.
justified.
Not
I
a
know you
single
did not
Undoubtedly.
justify
I
it.
not a
told
single,
myself he should be,
not
his
a
wife should
single
be,
case
he
is there,
should
man.
not, he should not say anything about our home minister. Should not say anything
Why?
about our prime
Okay,
minister.
He's your mercy,
every citizen in this
140
country
crore
have the
people.
right to question the government and the home minister. He has the
But he
right to
cannot-
do so
cannot
as
say
well.
he should resign.
But give me your
They are-
version,
first
Mr.
of all,
Advocate Sanjeev Unyal.
everyone
What is
knows-
your take? How do you
Everyone-
believe these
every-
cases should be
I-
dealt
I-
with?
I-
BJP has
I'll-
not come
I'll be
forward
on the
with one
topic.
statement
I'll
to
be on the
condemn it
topic.
yet.
I'll be purely on the topic I condemn.
Huh.
I have told you already.
No,
it was
don't you think the
not a
BJP
planning
also
of
should
any
condemn it?
ideological Bharatiya Janata Party or Rashtriya Samsevak Sangh. It was not a planning. Anybody can do. Could be. I think these bishops and these Christian people are also interested. Ki some Hindus should come and they will then blame them. They will say, okay, I mean, could be part and parcel of their strategy also, first of all. Secondly, these organizations get good dollars, US monies from Soros organizations to get Hindus converted here. So this could be one of the ideology. That's why he is attacking on Bharatiya Janata Party. He is attacking on UP government. He is attacking on Prime Minister. He is attacking on Amit Shah. You see which organization he belongs to.
So, Advocate
These people
Sanjeev
are-
Unyal, you have a visual. 1 second. Can I, for the moment, if my question to Sanjeev, please.
The ruling government
Advocate Sanjeev Unyal, visual of a man trying to stop a vendor from
Only a man.
selling Christmas caps.
Only a man, not organization. A organization
No, I'm
of
asking
Bharatiya
you,
Janata
Sanjeev,
Party could be only
Advocate
single
Sanjeev,
man or single.
He's not allowing a
only
vendor
one
to
person.
sell caps,
Where your
Christmas
camera?
caps. What has that got to do with
Ma'am.
conversion?
who are very friendly with us.
My point of
They are very
view,
friendly with us.
my point of view is Bharatiya Janata Party is having 25-26 crore karyakartas. Bajrang Dal is more than 1 crore karyakartas. RSS is one of the biggest organization of the world, NGO, but there are only 5 or 3 people are timtimare 3 or 4 log.
So then in that case,
So it means it is
going
not
by
a
your
planned
analogy,
attack.
Advocate Sanjeev Unyal,
It is not an
your
ideological
analogy,
attack.
you're basically saying that Christians are converting Hindus or converting people,
Yes,
they're getting a
everyone
lot of
knows.
money.
It is on the record.
You're also
For
making
such a
blanket
number of times.
statements, no?
It is on all the books.
So
It
then
is
you're
in
making
history
blanket
also.
statements. Advocate
He-
Sanjeev Unyal,
if
you're
this
making
person
blanket
who's sitting here,
statements.
He himself is converted.
You're-
He's not. He's
No,
a Hindu. He
You're
has been
making
converted.
blanket statements
Just
and
ask
you're
him.
making personal
Just
attacks.
ask him.
You're making blanket statements.
No. Just
Yes,
ask
you're
him.
saying that the
This
Christians are getting
gentleman
funding,
himself
they're
has
out there
been
to
converted.
convert people. Those are blanket
No, I would
statements.
Have you not converted,
I would
Roydin?
ask him one thing.
Your forefathers were not
As I
Hindu.
said, we
Just
have
tell.
friends from the BJP.
Your
and the
forefathers
people
were
in
not
the
Hindu.
friends also
Advocate
condemned
Sanjeev
that.
Unyal, but this is
But
a
the only
fair.
person who can
This
do
is
this
exactly
is
the
the
rhetoric.
Prime Minister
This
takes
is
a
exactly the rhetoric delivered by the Bajrang Dal who are attacking these people. Exactly what you're saying is exactly what the Bajrang Dal is saying while attacking these people. Saying you are Hindu,
You cannot tell
you
If
don't
Bajrang-
belong
Bajrang
here.
Dal would be. I know the power
multiply.
of Bajrang Dal. I know the power. If Bajrang Dal will come, then nobody can sit here in the channels also. This was not Bajrang Dal. This is not ideology of RSS. This is not ideology of BJP to attack someone. We celebrate each and everything. We are going to the. I told you. The top Dr. Bhagwat
one
ji
rule-
went to number
one
of
rule in
13
Kerala,
bishops.
one rule in
What,
Goa,
what
one
this
rule in
gentleman
Uttar
said, do you know? What
Pradesh,
this gentleman
Himachal.
said?
Wow.
We are not allowing Hindus to enter in the churches. He himself said, we are not allowing Hindus to enter in the churches. How dare he can say?
Yes, we are not converting. We are not, I will tell you daringly.
That you said we are not allowing.
We don't
You are
allow
converting.
conversion. No
It is
conversion.
admission
takes
from your
place.
side.
There's no forcible conversion. There's no forcible
This
conversion
is
ever takes place. Not a single forcible
conversion is
takes place.
conversion.
People have the right
Whether
to
it
choose
is
their
by
place.
law, by way of money, or
The
by a
plans
way
of
of
Dr.
talwar.
Baba Sahib Ambedkar that he has given us a constitution where we have a
Yes,
right to choose.
yes, we are following Dr. Ambedkar's
Okay.
constitution, but you are not
Then we
following.
have the right to choose, gentlemen. We have the
Conversion
right
is
to
not
choose.
allowed
Okay.
in our country.
That's all we
As
have
per
time for,
constitution.
gentlemen. I really appreciate
Conversion is
you.
not
I,
allowed.
all I get
What
from
you
all
want.
of you,
You
the one,
believe in
I think
conversion.
one point of
Hindu
consensus that
heaven.
we have here at least is that this attack is condemned. All these 4 attacks that we presented to you is being condemned by all our panelists. So at least that's the satisfying part. But what should be done days going forward? How safe does the Christian community feel? Will there be intervention and a word coming from the Home Ministry or the government, respective governments of these states? That remains to be seen. But it's a festive season and we're really hoping that one allows people to enjoy with all their spirit. We're slipping into a short break. We'll be right back on the other side. A story that's really rattled us of a Sarpanch in Rajasthan asking, basically now imposing a rule in nearly 15 villages saying women will not be allowed to use smartphones from January. Stay with us.